G'day, here's some large pieces of seam, mostly potch in colour, a little bit of colour from Lightning Ridge area. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can have a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. Each piece is different. This is, a little bit of colour around here, another little speck there, but there's not a lot of colour in this. A bit maybe under this crust here on this piece. It's just interesting patterns. White porcelain over here, black and greys, browns. This has got a pink reddish type hue to it, but it's still not a colour bar. Almost looks like a mosaic at this material. Whites, a little bit of colour poking through there. Blue tinges. This last piece. This has got a bit of colour through it. The top here's a bit better. Bit of a hollow. Just give you an idea. Some more colour coming through here. This piece has got the most, I'll call it fire for want of another description, because it's not real gem material, but you never know. Under here it could change. Very black potch here in areas. Anyway, I think you've got a good idea of what you're looking at. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.